guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. You know, the other day someone told me I had a nice looking melon. Watermelon, that is. We are making some watermelon feta bites. The only product you are going to need from our store is the Blueberry Dark Balsamic. It's got great, rich blueberry flavor to it. The other things you're going to need, of course, is a watermelon, some feta cheese, and some fresh basil from your garden if you got it. Watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon. Now the first thing you want to do with your watermelon is slice it into cubes. All right, so we got some watermelon slices here. They're about just over an inch thick. And voila, we have our cubes. We're just gonna get rid of the small little bits or just eat them. Watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon. So we did get some fresh basil from our garden. You will need some of this. We've also taken some feta and just chopped it into some cubes, just slightly smaller than our cubes of watermelon. And now let's put it all together. So we've got our little stations set up here. We've got the watermelon, the feta, the basil leaves. We are going to put this all together and plate it up. So you want to take a toothpick. If you have some fancy ones, by all means use those, but you just want to take your basil leaf, pop a hole in there. You want to take a piece of feta, just pop it in there too. Try not to make the feta crumble too much, and then take your leaf, pop the basil on there. We're just going to stick this right on our watermelon like so, and then just continue on and get it all on your plate. Those look so pretty. I know they look great on camera. The next thing we're going to do is take our blueberry balsamic, and we're just going to do a drizzle. Man, even with the balsamic, I know I went a little heavy on this end, but man, the balsamic just gives it a nice little glisten. Let's get our bite here. Which one looks good? I'm gonna go for this guy. So fresh, so simple. This is a great appetizer for the summer, guys, especially when watermelon is in season. I hope you guys like this recipe and this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, that's a little far. Now the first thing you want to do is take your watermelon. I said watermelon weird. Hey guys, man, I'm going way too far. Watermelon sugar